R2D2, come in. Where are you, R2D2? Yeah, it's Mr. Nebo. Love Star Wars. Help you on Inequalities. Yeah, Star Wars style. Okay, help me on Inequalities. Here we go. Okay, so we're going to be looking at number 7 and number 8 because they were kind of some difficult ones on the Inequalities assignment. And so number 7 looks crazy. It is crazy. So let's help you on it. We're going to have to get everything together to the left side. So we're going to add. You might need that other paper to attach to it because there's a lot of stuff going on here. So we're going to add it to the other side. Where are we doing that? So that we get 0. So that we get 0 on the right side. And so now we have a positive 11 over x minus 6 minus a 10 over x minus 5, right? And so we have to get a common denominator. Common denominator. So I need that other paper. A lot of work going on here. I need that paper because, here's why I might need that paper. The reason why you might need that paper is because we're going to to the top and bottom. So we're going to take that x minus 6 over to this side and multiply it here, x minus 6. And if you do it to the bottom, you have to do it to the top. Then you're going to take the x minus 5, trying to get a common denominator, and you're going to multiply an x minus 5 to the top and bottom. And then we distribute it through, distribute the negative 10 through, and then we combine the top over the bottom once. So we have an 11 right now. Remember, that's an 11. So 11 times x is 11x. 11 times negative 5 is negative 55. Minus 10 times x is negative 10x. And then negative 10 times negative 6 is a positive 60. Right? So then we're going to combine like terms. So 60 minus 55 is just a 5. Yay! And 11x minus 10x is just a 1x. Ha! Look how much this simplified, you guys. So this just simplified into x plus 5 all over. Don't forget your common denominator. Remember that we multiplied x minus 5 on the left. You have to do it to the bottom and the top. And so now we have a common denominator of x minus 5, x minus 6. X minus 5, x minus 6. So guess what goes on the bottom? X minus 5, x minus 6. And that's going to be greater than or equal to 0. Bring down our greater than equal to 0. Woo! Now we can do the problem with the steps that we discussed. Right? And what were those steps again? So the steps again were factor it, which we did. Get a common denominator. Should actually be step 1.5. Factor it. Get a common denominator. Thanks, Mr. Newbold, for adding step 1.5 in there. Get a common denominator. Combine the top with the bottom once. And now we can set the top equal to 0, the bottom equal to 0, graph the number line. Here we go. Here we go. Okay, so now we can actually do the problem. Okay? Remember, there's an equal to there. What does the equal to mean? So the equal to means that the top, right, x plus 5 set equal to 0, minus 5 to the other side. So at negative 5 on our number line, we're going to have a closed hole. And then for the x minus 6, which will become an x equals 6, it'll be an open hole. It's in the bottom. And then for the x minus 5, that'll become x equals 5, positive 5, and that'll be an open hole. Get it? Open hole. And so now we'll go and do our number line. And so our number line consists of a negative 5 with a closed hole, And then we also have a positive 5 and a positive 6 with an open hole and open hole. And so now we need to do a test point. Now that we went ahead and graphed on our number line those solutions after we combined like terms and did two rationals together. Ugh. So then we have to do test points. And what's our favorite test point? What's our favorite test point? 0. 0 is our favorite test point. And so when we do 0 as our favorite test point, right, we're going to probably plug it into the factor just to make it easier on us. And so we're going to plug in 0 here and see what we get. Test point is 0. So 0 there, 0 there, 0 there. So on the top, we end up with 0 plus 5 is just a positive 5, just a positive number. On the bottom, 0 minus 5 is negative 5, and 0 minus 6 is negative 6. But you have a 0 in there, that goes away. And so negative 5 times negative 6, whoopsie. 0 plus 5 on the top is a positive 5. And the bottom, negative 5 times negative 6 is positive 30. And that's a positive over positive is a positive. And so that means that x equals 0, it's going to be a positive. And then it's going to alternate, right? It's going to alternate the positive and negative 99% of the time. Will alternate. Then you don't have to do a bunch of test points. Except for maybe 10. Maybe. Okay, so alternate. So it's going to go positive, negative, alternate. So it'll go negative, then positive, then negative, then positive, then negative. Woo! And so what solutions do we want? Do we want the positive solutions or do we want the negative solutions? Well, we go back and look at our sign. And our sign was, our original problem was all numbers greater than or equal to 0, because we added 11 over x minus 6 to the other side, created 0. And so that means that we want all the positive solutions, right? We want all the positive, right? We want all the positive solutions. Positive solutions. And so what are our positive solutions going to be? What are they? What are our positive solutions going to be? Well, we have a closed dot at negative 5, so we're going to go brackets negative 5 to, what happened? No, 0 is not a new bold. Whoops, made a mistake. 0 is a test point, so you don't alternate there, you don't alternate there. Sorry. So what do we have? We have between negative 5 and positive 5 was a test point of 0. And so that meant we have a positive here. So it's going to go, let's do it in red. So it's going to go negative, then positive there, then negative, then positive. Sorry. Okay, good. So now we're going to fix it there. So we want all positive solutions. So we're going to go from negative 5, positive solutions, positive to positive 5. So that's the first part of our answer then. So the first part of our answer is brackets, negative 5, all numbers between negative 5 and positive, including 0. Positive 5 in union with 6. Remember, it's an open hole. Open hole means parentheses to the right forever, which is to infinity forever. Woo! We did it right, hopefully. Let's take a look and see if we did number 7 right. That was a beastly problem. Glad I could help you. So we'll go to question number 7. And we did it right. Negative 5 to 5, union with 6 to infinity. We did it right. We did it right. So thanks to you for behind the screen watching. And keep on trying your best on each one. Use this one to help you on those harder ones. Thanks to you behind the screen. Thanks for watching.